Imagine looking up at the night sky. The vast expanse above you is dotted with countless stars, each one a distant sun, twinkling in the darkness. It's a sight that has inspired wonder and curiosity for millennia. The stars are brilliant, but something is missing. The familiar glow of the moon is absent, leaving the night feeling strangely incomplete. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has vanished. Its absence is more than just a visual loss. It signifies a profound change. What would happen to our planet if the moon disappeared, even for a year? This thought experiment invites us to explore the moon's critical role in maintaining the balance of our world. The moon's presence shapes many aspects of life on Earth. Its gravitational pull is a key force that influences our planet's natural rhythms. Its gravitational pull governs the tides, creating the ebb and flow that coastal ecosystems rely on. Without the moon, these tides would be drastically altered, affecting marine life and human activities along the shore. Its light influences animal behavior, guiding nocturnal creatures and affecting their hunting and mating patterns. The absence of moonlight would disrupt these natural behaviors, leading to unforeseen consequences in the animal kingdom. And its presence stabilizes our planet's rotation. The moon acts as a stabilizing force, preventing extreme variations in Earth's tilt and ensuring a relatively stable climate. The disappearance of the moon, even temporarily, would trigger a cascade of changes on Earth. The immediate effects would be felt in the oceans and among nocturnal wildlife. Some of these changes would be immediate and dramatic. Coastal areas might experience more extreme tides, and nocturnal animals would face a sudden shift in their environment. Others would unfold slowly, revealing their full impact over time. The long-term effects on Earth's climate and ecosystems could be profound, altering weather patterns and the balance of life. This thought experiment allows us to appreciate the moon's profound influence on our planet and our lives. It reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the interconnectedness of all natural phenomena. The moon, often taken for granted, is a silent guardian of our world, its presence woven into the fabric of our existence. The moon's gravity is the primary driver of Earth's tides. This gravitational force is a constant, invisible hand that orchestrates the rhythmic rise and fall of our oceans. It's a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years, shaping the very contours of our planet's coastlines. The moon pulls the water on the side of Earth closest to it, creating a bulge. This bulge is a direct result of the moon's gravitational force, which pulls the water towards it. This phenomenon is not just a simple pull, it's a complex interaction that involves the rotation of the Earth and the gravitational interplay between the Earth and the moon. A corresponding bulge occurs on the opposite side of Earth. This happens because the gravitational pull of the moon also affects the Earth itself, causing it to slightly shift and create a secondary bulge on the far side. This dual bulge system is what gives us the high and low tides we observe daily. These bulges are what we experience as high tides. When the bulges align with the Earth's rotation, they create the high tides that we see lapping at our shores. These tides are crucial for various marine and coastal processes, including the mixing of nutrients in the water and the shaping of coastal landscapes. Without the moon, tides wouldn't disappear entirely. The gravitational pull of the moon is the dominant force, but it's not the only one. The sun also plays a role, albeit a smaller one, in influencing the tides. The sun also exerts a gravitational pull on Earth's oceans, albeit weaker than the moon's. This solar influence is about half as strong as the moon's, but it still contributes to the overall tidal patterns we observe. Tides would be significantly reduced, only about 1/3 of their current strength. This reduction would lead to less dramatic tidal changes, affecting everything from coastal erosion to the habitats of various marine species. This change would drastically impact coastal ecosystems and industries that rely on the ebb and flow of the tides. Fisheries, tourism, and even the natural processes that cleanse our coastal waters would be altered, leading to a cascade of environmental and economic consequences. The moon's influence is far-reaching, and its absence would be felt in every corner of our planet. The moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, the angle at which our planet rotates on its axis. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. Over long periods, the moon's gravity acts like a steadying hand, preventing drastic shifts in Earth's tilt. Without the moon, Earth's axial tilt would become unstable, susceptible to wobbling. Over the course of a year, we might experience extreme seasonal changes. Some regions could face prolonged periods of intense heat, while others plunge into extended winters. For millennia, humans and animals have relied on the moon's light for navigation and orientation. Nocturnal animals use moonlight to hunt and travel. Migratory birds use the moon's position to navigate during their long journeys. The sudden absence of moonlight would disrupt these natural rhythms. Many animals would struggle to find food or become more vulnerable to predators. The ecological consequences of this disruption are difficult to predict but could be significant. Section 5. The Moon and Us. A deeper connection than we realize. The moon's influence extends beyond the physical world. It has shaped human culture, inspiring art, literature, and mythology. Our calendar is based on the lunar cycle. Many religious and cultural festivals are timed with the phases of the moon. The moon's disappearance would be felt deeply on a cultural level. It would be a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the cosmos and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Section 6. Space Exploration. A new set of challenges. The moon's disappearance would also have implications for space exploration. The moon is often used as a stepping stone for missions to other parts of the solar system. Its relatively weak gravity makes it easier and more fuel-efficient to launch spacecraft from its surface. Without the moon, space agencies would need to rethink their approach to space exploration. Missions would become more complex and costly, potentially delaying our progress in understanding the universe. After a year of absence, the moon's reappearance would be met with relief and celebration. However, its return would not instantly undo the changes that had occurred in its absence. The return of the moon's gravity would cause dramatic shifts in ocean currents and tides. Coastal areas would experience significant flooding and erosion as the oceans readjust. The sudden stabilization of Earth's axial tilt could also trigger extreme weather events and seismic activity. The planet would groan and shudder as it adjusted to the return of its celestial companion. Despite the challenges, life on Earth is remarkably resilient. The disappearance and reappearance of the moon would undoubtedly cause hardship and disruption. However, nature has a remarkable ability to adapt. Animals would adjust their behaviors. Plants would adapt to the changing light and seasonal cycles. Over time, ecosystems would find a new balance. The moon's absence would be a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of respecting the delicate balance of nature. The hypothetical disappearance of the moon underscores the intricate dance of celestial mechanics that governs our solar system. Each celestial body, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet, plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of the system. The moon's influence on Earth is a powerful reminder that we are part of a much larger system. Understanding these forces is crucial not only for our scientific knowledge, but also for our long-term survival. The moon's absence, even if temporary, would be a profound event. Imagine looking up at the night sky and not seeing the familiar glow of the moon. It would be a stark reminder of how much we take for granted the celestial bodies that have always been there. It would force us to confront our dependence on celestial bodies and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The moon influences our tides, stabilizes our rotation, and even affects the behavior of various species. Without it, the rhythms of life would be disrupted, and we would have to adapt to a new reality. It would also serve as a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. The universe is a grand tapestry of interconnected systems, each playing a role in the dance of existence. The absence of the moon would highlight the intricate web of relationships that bind us to the stars and galaxies beyond. In the face of such cosmic upheaval, we might gain a renewed appreciation for our pale blue dot and the precious life it harbors. The Earth, seen from space, is a fragile oasis in the vast desert of the universe. This perspective could deepen our understanding of the importance of preserving our environment and the delicate ecosystems that sustain us. The experience might even inspire us to become better stewards of our planet, recognizing that its fate is inextricably linked to the cosmos. By understanding our place in the universe, we can foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship, ensuring that future generations inherit a world that is as vibrant and life-sustaining as the one we know today. This renewed perspective could be the catalyst for a global movement towards sustainability and harmony with the natural world.